Just want to give another update on some of the plum trees here. The big one back there is already finished blooming. She's filled with little plums now. Have a little swarm trap there. Sit next to that one. But here's one of my multi-grafted plums. This side here and that side over there from that one. Slam pack. A couple other ones coming on there. I think this one is some of the Italian prune. Let's go take a look real quick. Excuse me, I'm trying to get up in here without knocking down any of these. Yeah, I think this is the Italian prune. And a couple of the Santa Rose plums here. Like there's a couple of the blue Desmonds over there blooming too on this one. Come over here to this one. There's another one. Fully bloomed now. I think that's another Shiro plum on this one. It's blooming on this side. Let's check and see. Beauty plum. That's what that one is. So all of this one going up on this one is beauty plum. The other side is waking up, but no blooms yet on this side. A couple at the bottom, but that's about it. So again, here's the other one. Plums are already set. They're just growing now. Can't wait to have. Absolutely love plums. Over here, let's take a look at the and don't worry about the grass over here. I'm gonna be doing another chicken coop here in between the grape trellis, and I'll be doing chicken tunnel, which allows them to go here around this plum tree and the other 3 plum trees over there. This is another one of my big girls. Gotta come over here and trim up some of the water sprouts right there. This is the Santa Rose. Looks like she's starting to wake up. Blooms are starting to come on her, swelling up. This is probably the tallest tree I have out here now. Well, between this one and the golden plum there, they're both about 20 feet tall. That one may have a foot on it, on the golden plum. I'm not quite sure yet. But I don't prune trees unless it's necessary. I'm probably gonna end up pruning this big girl. Just gonna fall a little bit. But that's pretty much it. Well, I have another small little plum tree here. This is another regular beauty plum my brother bought for me. She's got a few blooms on her. I put her in this ground 3 months ago, I believe. So she's got a couple of blooms here and there. I'm not expecting nothing much. But what I'm trying to do in this area is form a arch to have almost like these 2 plum trees connecting and forming like a arch. So that's another little project I gotta keep up with. But for now, I'm just sitting back watching them bloom and enjoying the fruit. Everybody stay safe, stay blessed, and see you on the next one, folks.